Hello and welcome to this video on Dhikala, in which we will be exploring the jaw-dropping landscapes of Dhikala and spending time with the majestic feline and other animals from Dhikala. Welcome to Dhikala, the heart of Jim Corbett National Park. Dhikala is a place where the beauty of nature comes alive, where the dense forests, crystal clear rivers, and rolling hills create a harmonious symphony that will resonate with you long after you leave this place. As you explore the dense forests of Dhikala, you will be greeted with a sense of peace and tranquility that is rarely found in our modern world. Dhikala is also home to some of the most magnificent creatures on earth, like the Bengal tiger. On our recent visit, we were fortunate enough to spot a beautiful tigress named Grassland Valley. However, seeing these elusive creatures is not always easy, and dozens of jeeps filled with wildlife enthusiasts can be seen scouring the park in search of a glimpse of these beautiful beasts. We also got a chance to see the beautiful Paid Valley while she was resting in the Kosi River. These tigers are the crown jewels of this forest. Their majestic walk, the regal aura that surrounds them, and the sense of power that they exude make them the kings of these jungles. However, their presence sends shivers down the spine of other animals. The spotted deer and the barking deer have a unique way of communicating with their herds to warn them of the approaching danger. The barking deer makes a distinct bark that alerts others of the predator's presence, while the spotted deer makes a series of alarming calls that indicate the proximity of the tiger. The langurs, the watchmen of the jungle, are always on the lookout for any signs of danger. They perch on treetops and make loud calls to warn others of the predator's presence. Their sharp eyesight and keen sense of hearing make them an integral part of the forest's ecosystem. Dhikala is home to a significant population of elephants, and it's relatively easy to spot them here. These gentle giants can be seen grazing in the grasslands or bathing in the rivers, creating a picturesque sight for wildlife enthusiasts. The Kosi River of Dhikala is a critical lifeline for these elephants. During the dry season, when the water sources in the forest dry up, these elephants have to cross the Kosi River to reach the greener pastures on the other sides. Elephants are known for their strong familial bonds, and their matriarchal society is a testament to the motherly love that they possess. The mothers protect their young with their lives, and the entire family works together to ensure their safety. Watching them move as a unit is a sight that will leave you humbled. Dhikala is not just home to tigers and elephants, but also a wide variety of birds that call this forest their home. The forest is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 300 species of birds being recorded here. While we were searching for tigers in Dhikala, we were lucky enough to spot the red-headed vulture, or the king vulture of India, which is a very rare vulture and one of the rarest birds of India. Dhikala is not just famous for its wildlife, but also for its stunning sunrises and sunsets that can leave one spellbound. The forest is located in the foothills of Himalayas, and the sky here seems to be painted with hues of orange, pink, and red during the sunrise and sunset. Dhikala is a place where nature thrives in all its glory. It's a place that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the incredible creatures that call it home. With its majestic tigers, graceful elephants, and diverse bird life, Dhikala is a place that's full of surprises. Come and experience the magic of this forest and take back memories that will last a lifetime.